professional development program which we've initiated, the main purpose was to, reach out to the youth. And WASH sector, because WaterAid is an organization, we have wholly focused on the WASH. So WASH aspect में we could not really find a lot of female staff. So हमने इस प्रोग्राम को जो स्टार्ट किया, सो विद दैट वी विल हैव यंगस्टर्स जो फ्रेश ग्रेड्स होंगी और उनको वॉश के ऊपर उनकी कैपेसिटी बिल्ड होगी.
Basically, the opportunities for females are there, but the relevant skill set is not available. So we need to create opportunities for female by training them, and then we can incorporate into our organization different sectors.
This professional development program of WaterAid mainly focused on building women leaders capacity. So it very much resonates with the gender equality and inclusion, which is the ethos of overall country program strategy of Pakistan.
These 6 months have been, a pleasure to work with these amazing young women. And specifically when I talk about, the communications, when you involve young people into any domain or any function, they bring their unique perspective, and especially I feel that younger people needs to be more involved in decision making, in leadership roles.
तो मेरे ख्याल में इस प्रोग्राम ने वॉश एसोसिएट्स को बहुत कुछ दिया. उनको बिल्कुल क्लियर अपनी मंजिल नज़र आ रही है, और वो अब चाहेंगे कि इसमें और इनोवेशन लेकर आए, इसमें और अपनी कैपेसिटीज़ बिल्ड करें, और अपने बाकी जो आने वाले जो फ्रेश ग्रेजुएट्स हैं उनको भी इंस्पायर करें.
और हमारे वॉश एसोसिएट की इतनी अच्छी ट्रेनिंग हो गई थी, इतना अच्छा इन्होंने काम कर लिया फील्ड पे कि मुझे कहीं पे भी ये नहीं फील हुआ कि ये लोग बिल्कुल यंग प्रोफेशनल हैं और इन्होंने अभी डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर ज्वाइन कर लिया है.
Moving forward from this point, we are launching another project which is Pakistan Youth Leadership Initiative, which is being partnered with the British Council, and WaterAid will further scale up this model.
Young professionals under professional development program will, I think, catalyze the institutional capacities in WASH sector in Pakistan, and I think they will be contributing significantly in other organizations being a good human resource in WASH sector.